Hi all, this is Tyler Krumpiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video, we will go over how to sort data in an Excel spreadsheet. We can use sorting to sort rows alphabetically from largest to smallest number, by date, and more. If you would like to follow along, the spreadsheet we are using in this demo is available in the video description. Additionally, the demo data that we see here was produced by Google Bard, a large language model artificial intelligence. Any data that correlates with real people is by coincidence only. Let's get started. Click on the corner where the column letters meet the row numbers. This will select all of the cells in our spreadsheet. From there, select Data in the ribbon above. Next, find Sort. To the left of Sort, we do have some quick options for sorting alphabetically and reverse alphabetical. However, if we click on Sort, we have more options. First, if our data has headers, we need to make sure that the box in the upper right is checked. Otherwise, our headers may get moved around into our data. Since our data does not currently have headers, we can ignore this. Excel has already preempted us and wants us to sort alphabetically. All we need to do is choose a column to sort by. In our case, column B should be fine since this column contains last names. Once we have selected the column, we can click on OK. Excel will go ahead and sort the data alphabetically. However, we can also add more complexity to our sorting. Select all the cells again, then go back to the Sort button. We have our Sort by Last Name alphabetical level, but we can add another level by clicking on Add Level in the upper left. Now we can sort by column A, which contains first names. We will also sort alphabetically by column C, which contains city names too. Finally, let's sort by column F, which is age, by smallest to largest. Once we have done this, we can click on OK and see what Excel does. We may notice something weird happening, particularly in column C. D does not come before B, and yet Dallas, Texas is above Baltimore, Maryland. Let's take a look at our levels again. Each level is assigned a priority based on where it is in this list. Because sorting by column C is at a lower level than sorting by column A, our first names, and column B, our last names, it has a lower priority and may not appear exactly as we think it should. If we want the column C sorting to be a higher priority, we need to move it up the list. We can do that by clicking on the level. Then we can move it up the list by clicking on the up arrow to the right of Copy Level. Clicking on the down arrow will move it down the list. We will put the column C level at the top of the list and see what happens. We can now see that the list is organized primarily by column C, then column B, then column A, and finally by column F. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.